Welcome to our video on low-pressure dosing systems. In this video, we will explain what low-pressure dosing systems are and how they work. Low-pressure dosing systems are wastewater treatment systems that use a controlled amount of pressure to distribute effluent evenly throughout the drain field. The pressure is much lower than traditional septic systems, which helps to prevent clogging and improve the treatment process. A typical low-pressure dosing system consists of three main components: the septic tank, the dosing tank, and the drain field. The septic tank collects and separates solid waste from the wastewater. The dosing tank receives the effluent from the septic tank and distributes it evenly to the drain field through a network of pipes. Low-pressure dosing systems operate using a pump that pressurizes the effluent before it enters the drain field. This pressurized effluent is then distributed evenly through a series of small-diameter pipes, which are placed in gravel-filled trenches. The distributed effluent is then absorbed by the surrounding soil, where it undergoes further treatment and filtration. Low-pressure dosing systems offer several advantages over traditional septic systems. They provide better distribution of effluent, leading to improved treatment and reduced clogging. These systems also have a smaller footprint, making them suitable for sites with limited space. Additionally, low-pressure dosing systems are more environmentally friendly, as they promote better wastewater treatment. Like any wastewater treatment system, low-pressure dosing systems require regular maintenance. This includes pump inspections, cleaning of filters, and periodic pumping of the septic tank. It's also important to avoid excessive water usage and the disposal of inappropriate materials, as they can disrupt the system's performance. In conclusion, low-pressure dosing systems are an effective and efficient way to treat wastewater. They provide better distribution, require less space, and are more environmentally friendly compared to traditional septic systems. By understanding how these systems work, you can make informed decisions about wastewater treatment for your property.